Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Meyson. Today I am going to be the model. Guess who's showing me? Tosin Junaid. Tosin is a fantastic photographer based in Lagos, Nigeria, and his headshots are out of this world. Like, he's been taking some awesome headshots recently. And yeah, I just want I reached out to him and asked him if he could show us like his headshot setup, and he said yes, no problem. So he's going to be showing me. So I'm going to be a model today. Tosin is going to be the photographer. I think I said that already before. But before we get into him showing us his light setup, let's bring him here and ask him a few questions. So guys, this is Tosin.
Hello guys.
Yes, it's a fantastic photographer, and I just want to ask him a few questions. First things first, what camera system do you use?
Nikon for the main.
And for your headshots, because like right now I'm going to put like a few pictures of your headshots on the screen.
Okay.
That I really like. So for your headshots, what lens do you use?
No, I use this 80-200 lens.
Okay.
Basically a 70-200, but 80-200, 2.8.
Okay. And what is your camera body?
Nikon.
Nikon
D700.
You use a D700.
Nikon, if you're watching, you guys can send me the D850 or the Z7.
So typically when you do like your headshots outside, like what's your go-to light setup?
Well, I have like two different light setups for guys and for ladies. For guys, I try to create a bit of drama.
Okay.
So I use one light at one side, and I try to almost like split lighting, and I use a kicker.
Okay. So for guys, you use split lighting, and for women, you use.
For women, I try to feather it more so that at least they don't get shadows on their faces.
So typically, do you use like one light setup? Do you use like a one light setup, or use two?
It depends. It depends because I need high speed sync to make it work. I have just one light that works with high speed sync.
Okay.
If I can get my hands on two, I use two.
So what's your main lighting system that you use?
Main lighting system.
Yeah.
Well, Godox. I use Godox. I use Godox trap. Yeah, Godox.
Okay, great. So let's get to shooting, and yeah, he's Tosin Junaid on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram handle on the screen so you guys can definitely like check him out. And if you guys want to book him, or if you want to learn, check him out. So let me get into like my model persona and get ready to work it, babe. Yeah, give them all the kind of like, let's go. Hey, what's up YouTube? So before we get into today's light setup, please do not forget to go hawk smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. Now, big shout out to my man Tosin Junaid for coming through and coming to shoot me and also show you guys his light setup. Tosin used a 2-light setup, which he says is his go-to light setup if he can get the second light, but mostly he just goes with the 1-light setup, which I'm extremely cool with because I'm a 1-light kind of guy. But today we went with a 2-light setup. We shot with the AD600 Pro and the AD600, and these are fantastic lights. If you haven't checked them out, definitely check them out. If you can't afford any of those two, definitely check out the AD200. Godox makes some amazing lights, and they also have this ecosystem of lights that just work perfectly for what I do, and I'm pretty sure they'll work well for you too. So today we went with a 2-light setup. Like I said, he shoots with a Nikon or Nikon, whichever one you call it, and he shoots with the 80-200 Nikon D700, I think, yeah. And it just goes to show that you really do not need the most expensive gear to be able to create great images, and he shoots some stunning images, trust me. Today I was the model, and I felt pretty cool about being the model. But as a photographer, it's kind of hard being in front of the camera, rather be behind it, or how do you say it? But yeah, you guys get the joke. So when with a 2-light setup, his main light was set at 1/32, and the rim was 1/128 or 1/128. The main light was a Godox 120 cm parabolic softbox, which is my go-to lighting modifier right now. I really love it. That was the light setup that we used. Like I said, he shot with the 80-200 at 200 mm. You guys should definitely try this at home if you have the lights. If you don't, then when you get the lights, definitely try this at home. You're going to need lights that have high speed sync. And another thing that I'll advise you when you're getting into this type of photography, you want to take headshots like this outdoors, always get somewhere that has a shade, you know, so you do not have like any sun hitting your subject at all, you know, and shoot with lights that have high speed sync, so you can shoot at like very low apertures, f2.8, f1.8, f1.4. Probably just raise your shutter speed up to 1/4000th of a second, 1/8000th of a second, so you know you can now just light your subject properly with your lights. Another thing you need to look at is also take a picture to get the perfect exposure of your background first before you start shooting away, so that you can get the exact exposure that you want. Then light your subject so your subject stands out of the background. That's my advice for you guys for this particular type of look. Do not forget, shoot with long lenses, also shoot at low apertures, and shoot with lights that have high speed sync, and I'm pretty sure you get some dope images. Another thing I'll tell you is keep the distance between your subject and the background far away, so you can really blur out that background, and like I said, get that fantastic depth of field. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. My name is Prince Meyson. Do not forget to go Hawk smash on that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great week. Peace.